Hello, hi my kiddos. Hope all of you guys doing good. I'm also good. Today I'm going to show you the farm book, Farm Animals book. Look, it's a beautiful color book. I'm going to turn this page. Wow, cow. Look at the cow. Cow collects flower in the field. Look. Again, turn the page, turn the page, turn the page. Wow, duck. Duck paddles in the pond. Sheep. Wow. Sheep. Look, this is sheep. Sheep munches grass in the meadow. Pig. Pink pig. Pig rolls in the mud. Turn the page, turn the page, turn the page. Wow! All farm animals love to play on the farm. Look, there is a pig, there is a cow, there is a sheep, there is a duck, and there is another thing is there. Look, honeybee, butterfly, ladybug, fish. Oh, rabbit is also there. And lots of flowers are there. Did you see? Oh, I saw the sun. Look, there is a sun. And another big tree. Look, it's a very nice book. Come on, turn the page and look at the book. Bye-bye. See you later.